Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reviews on the movie Penguin that got released on Amazon Prime Video.
Yes, so on 19th of June, that means
Yes.
Just yesterday. Okay?
Yesterday midnight it got released.
At 12 o'clock.
Yes.
So we saw the complete
yes.
movie, and here we are, in front of you to give the full movie review of Penguin. So let's get started. We have a lot of things to discuss here, and yes, it will be very interesting to know all of the facts and everything from our mouth. So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So we'll be like dividing the complete review into two parts. One is positive, another is negative
part, yes.
You can say bad and good review, good
Yes.
and bad review. Okay,
Yes.
so let's talk about the good first. Okay, so what
So
do you like?
let's start with the cast of this movie. So first the lead role here is the Kirti Suresh, and her name is Rhythm in this movie. And second is Linga, and he is a husband of Kirti Suresh, or Rhythm you can say in this movie.
Previous husband.
Yes.
Or ex-husband.
And third is the Madhapati Rangaraj, and his name is Gautam in this movie, and he is the second husband of
Present
Rhythm.
husband. Yes.
Or you can say present husband.
Yeah.
And the one other main character is the Ajay in this movie. He is a kid, and I think overall the whole movie
is surrounded by him only.
Yes.
So his name is Master Advaith.
Yes,
in this movie.
name.
So he is the center of attraction of the movie.
Yes, right.
So if you ask me who is the most valuable actor or actresses in this movie, that is Advaith only.
Yes.
His acting is superb, and also Kirti Suresh. Her acting is outstanding, splendid actor.
Splendid.
She
I
is,
think
and
for the
acting
first
is
time
superb.
she has done this so much of silent kind of
Yes.
silent. Only with acts she is silent, but from inside there is a lot of fire, or you can say aggression.
Because she is a mother,
Yes.
and she has played that role beautifully. A mother means you have to be a little bit aggressive,
Yes.
and also at the same time polite, soft, because mother is having a lot of different characters, and also she is pregnant in this movie. I think 7 months pregnant, so she is having a lot of mood swings, and also that kind of acting she has done brilliantly.
Yes.
So she has done a fabulous job. That is a good point. First good point. Second good point is at the start of the movie we see that one Joker is there, one Charlie Chaplin disguised wala person is there with a umbrella in his hand, and one Murthy is there that is very spectacular kind of statue.
Yes.
And he is just entering just behind that Murthy, and one small kid will be there. So that scene will give you thrill.
Yes.
So that is we thought, okay, this movie is going to be a superb movie, and it can beat any kind of movie. We thought
thrill movie, you can
so
say.
the first scene was like very outstanding, you can say, and मतलब रोड के खड़े हुए थे मेरे वहाँ पे दिखाया कि he was attacking that kid,
cutting,
that's all.
Yes,
This
and
is the
it
first of the scene.
So one more positive point is the picturization of this movie.
Correct.
And execution. We have seen like taking from the top view of that car going into the forest, and forest picturization. It was totally looking
Mountains and
Hollywood style
Hollywood
of
style.
picturization.
So
I
they
liked
have done
it
a
really.
beautiful
Yes.
graphics when the name was showing. That time also, the car was moving. She was like moving in the car just to go to the doctor for a checkup. She was pregnant, right? So that scene was like outstanding. It can beat any kind of Hollywood or high budgeted movie.
Yes. And yes, so one more thing we have seen in trailer as well, that all the birds are flying away from that forest.
Birds or some insects.
Insects. I think it was
locusts.
insect only. Yes, a locust, or I think, or some kind of honey bee or something.
Maybe.
It was there. Yes.
It was that graphics was
That
done
graphics was
beautifully.
superb. Yes.
Superb. 3D effect was there.
Right.
So this picturization was fabulous. Acting of Kirti Suresh is the lead. You can say she is the lead, and she has played like a lead only. And also better than her also Master Advaith has done.
Ajay.
Okay, Ajay.
The
Child. So picturization, everything is very superb. Now coming to the cons or bad sides of the movie. So the bad side is like this movie is very slow.
Yes.
Okay, so it is very slow. There are a lot of unnecessary steps
Things
were
you
there,
can
things
say
were
it
there
will go
that
around.
were included. So they have enlarged the movie purposefully, which we didn't like that much.
It's purposefully, or the story
Or,
was like that only. But yes,
I don't know.
We didn't like that it's moving too much slow. That
Yes,
we didn't like that.
we didn't like. And one more thing I didn't like, when the child got missed, okay, from the school
Or you
or
can say
something,
kidnapped, yes,
kidnapped.
from-
He got kidnapped, Ajay. That time the background music was going on. That is very kind of romantic music. So it
Yeah.
was not well synced.
I think that music should be too much thrilled
Emotional,
music. Emotional or
thrilled.
thrilled music it should be there.
And also one mother is losing her child,
Yes.
okay, and we should seeing the acting and music, we should get our eyes teared.
Yes,
But
right.
we didn't feel
We
the
didn't
pain.
feel that
We
pain.
didn't
Yes,
feel the
that's
pain.
true.
Kirti Suresh was acting superbly, but the music is like
Yes, of course.
हमारा ध्यान भटका रहा था.
In any movie, music also plays
Very
a very
important
important role. So here, music was that some part of music was really
Most
good.
of the part
but,
music was not good, and very little part the music was like full of thrills, you can say, not that much. So music fail हो गया है हमें लगता है इस मूवी में.
Yes.
म्यूजिक अगर अच्छा होता ना, मतलब it would be far better.
Yes.
Okay, and third point which I didn't like the ending of the movie.
Ending of the movie.
So the ending of the movie was
it
very
was
cheap.
something cheap kind of.
We thought the ending would be very suspicious, and one person will be there like
Yes.
Raksasan or any other kind of thrill movie.
Right.
The ending is having some drama in it, but here the ending is
yes.
very slow,
Slow.
and also very
and the ending was too much a silly kind of
silly.
ending.
Yes,
you can say. And,
silly kind of. And the storyline also is not that good. Okay, in the ending we will not reveal that thing, but in the ending you get to see that the kidnapper
But
is
yes,
only the known person of that Kirti Suresh. Okay.
Yes. But the thing is that story is, till the end you will not be able to understand who is the main
yes.
killer,
You'll not
or
be able
not
to
killer
understand.
or kidnapper, you can say. And also a lot of things, unnecessary thing was there, but mostly
We
that
couldn't
movie,
understand a lot of context also,
Context
in this.
also.
A lot of points were there which we cannot currently reveal, so that you can understand like the whole movie of it.
So I think
So
the
we didn't like
as,
that
as a
thing.
suspense wise, it was not that much
Yes,
good, you can
yes.
say. But yes, you will not be able to get to know who is the main killer till the end also.
Yes, so we had a lot of
But
expectation.
at the end, you will be also surprised. Why this ending?
Why this is
guy
ending?
or this somebody who is very close to her?
Kirti Suresh, how he or she will do that.
Yeah, that logic was also some silly kind of
Some
logic.
silly kind of logic.
Yes.
And we didn't like it,
So
actually. That is the main context.
Actually, problem is also is that we were expecting a lot from this movie. We have seen Ratsasan, that
My
was
God,
amazing, and
amazing.
we at the beginning only
Yes.
we were comparing that this movie will be equally good as
Or better.
Ratsasan or better than Ratsasan.
Ratsasan,
But
but
yes,
no.
all our expectation went down.
Went down. So actually, after a stressful day, we sat to see the movie at 12 o'clock,
Yes.
and matlab, we were like, why we are seeing after 2 hours.
At midnight,
Okay.
we started feeling sleepy.
Started
actually.
feeling sleepy
So much
because-
boring, not interesting that much also.
Not so much boring. It is, in the first part it is good, you can say. In the second
Yes.
part it is not good.
The first part, starting was
Starting
good.
was good.
Starting was good, but
Starting was very good.
again it went too much slow. But in second part, again starting was a little bit good, and then again started some silly kind
Ending
of
is
logic.
very bad, and we got so much excited. That's why we post in the
Yes.
community section,
Right.
right? In the first part, the starting of the movie was looking very
that was,
promising. That was
super.
awesome. But after that, okay, we were
Starting
like,
only
oh my god.
we thought it will be too much thriller. Yeah.
So I will be giving 7 out of 10
Of
this
course.
movie,
Me
because
too.
70%, because there are a lot of things were there which should be improved, which can be
Yes.
improved, and it is not the I will not say it is the director's mistake. The direction was superb, the screenplay play was good, picturization was marvelous, but somehow the story does not have that link
Right.
जो
It doesn't
इसके साथ
grab
लिंक
the
होता है ना,
attention
हाँ,
of
attention नहीं
audience.
होता है, ऑडियंस के साथ जो लिंक होता है ना वो नहीं था. And also the music,
Music,
that
yeah.
is a epic fail.
Yes.
The music is the epic fail. Ratsasan का music क्या था?
Ratsasan music was
The
super.
music itself like is giving thrill, but here the music is very ढीला ढाला. So that is our point. We are not spreading hatred. This is our honest
Our view.
opinion.
That's
our
why we have
review.
watched at midnight itself,
Yes.
so that we can share our thoughts to you guys,
Yes.
and you can also watch it.
Yes.
And this movie is already present in Amazon
In
Prime
Amazon
Video.
Prime.
And
So we
also
are,
if you
giving
watch
our
it,
review.
you can also give our your thoughts to us.
So we are giving our reviews so that those who are have not watched yet we can decide that whether to watch or not, and definitely you can watch. We are not preventing anyone to not to watch this
Yes.
movie or watch this movie. We are just giving our review
Alright.
so that this can be helpful content or information for you.
Yes.
And yes, you can definitely go and check this video. Kirti Suresh was looking damn beautiful.
She has done a fabulous job.
Fabulous
there.
job. She
And the
was
child,
looking-
she and child, they have done a fabulous job.
Yeah.
Child expression was
My
I
God.
liked it.
We
He had
liked it
played
a lot.
a great role here. I think
he
will
was
be,
silent, but he is speaking a lot by his eyes.
yes,
So he's
and
a
I think
very good
he can be a good
child
actor
actor
in future also.
Yes. So that was it for today's review. I really hope that it would be helpful for you, and
Yes.
please give your feedback, also give your review also on the comment section, that what you think about our reviews and all. And I think most of you can correlate our reviews,
Yes.
because that is coming from straight away from the heart. We are not pretending anything. We are just giving
Yes.
our genuine reaction. So yes, I really hope that you liked today's content, and if you do so, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.